How many mornings have you opened your eyes and hated the person you've become? You're not tired, you're trapped, stuck in a cycle that's slowly killing your potential. Laziness isn't about doing nothing. It's about watching your future rot, one excuse at a time. Every night you say, tomorrow I'll change, but every morning you lose to the same weakness, again and again. Here's the truth no one wants to admit. You're not lazy, you're just undisciplined. And discipline doesn't show up by magic. It's earned. Through war, one brutal battle, every day, for 7 days. Still waiting for motivation? Forget it. That feeling died the moment you chose comfort over growth. And if you don't kill the old version of you now, he'll destroy everything you could have been. So here's the deal. 7 days, no shortcuts, no feelings, no plan B. Want to escape laziness? Then earn your way out. This isn't a routine, it's war. Every day a target, every day a new you must rise. Day 1, silence the noise, kill your distractions. Social media, off. Notifications, gone. Choose silence over stimulation. Let your mind feel the emptiness you've been hiding from. Day 2, wake before the week. Do wake up at 5 a.m. No debate. Feel the resistance scream and ignore it. The old you sleeps in. The new you moves in silence. Day 3, move until it hurts. You don't need a gym. You need pain. Move for 45 minutes. No breaks, no whining, no excuses. Let your body remember what effort feels like. Day 4, win the mental battle today. Go inward. No music, no voices, just you. Write what you fear. Face what you've been avoiding. Because real power starts with brutal honesty. Day 5, starve the comfort. No junk, no sugar, no distractions. Cold showers only. Eat clean. Make discomfort your home. Comfort is where your discipline dies. Day 6, outwork your past. Pick one goal, the one you've been avoiding. Now crush it. Deep focus, no distractions. Prove to yourself you are no longer him. Day 7, kill him, rebuild you. Look at the person you were. Weak, full of excuses, soft. Today, bury him. Write a new identity and step into it fully. No turning back. 7 days. That's all it takes to spark the fire. Not to finish the war, but to finally begin it. If you're still watching, it means something inside you is whispering, enough. Enough wasting time, enough being average, enough betraying your own potential. This change wasn't about the world. It was always about you. Your choices, your war against comfort, your quiet decision to rise. This version of you was never out of reach. You just feared meeting him. He doesn't chase pleasure, he chases purpose. He doesn't speak, he shows up and executes. So what now? Go back to who you were or finally become who you were meant to be? It starts now, not tomorrow. Now. 7 days, no motivation, no comfort, no excuses. Are you ready to kill the old you or not?